So we've read out the sentence. At the beginning of the sentence, there's a name for a place that we live on, this big round place we live on, the Earth. What's another name for it? Can you identify that name, please? Yes, that name is planet. Well done. Please underline it. Now, there's something happening to the planet which suggests that something's increasing, and you probably have noticed it with the temperatures that we're having perhaps at the moment. And that word is, our planet is warming. Yes. Well done. Please underline warming. And then the second thing is, there's two things happening. So first of all, our planet is warming. And then the second thing is, and what's all around us, the environment that we feel, the overall effects of all these different rains and summer and winter, etc. What do we call that collectively? All together, it's called the climate. Can you identify that word? Climate. Excellent. Please underline it. And it tells us at the end of the sentence what's happening to the climate. What is it? It is changing. And you've all seen examples of these changes. Now, this sentence, as we've read it, you think it's got a good idea to tell you what's happening in the next sentence. It's telling you something's changing, and you expect the author that's written it has given you a clue about what's happening next. Okay, so just to make sure you've got all the correct things underlined, if you underlined the words planet, warming, climate, and changing.